Which way do I turn my wheel?
Doesn't matter, they're just floating in the air.
Let me try steering left. See, it's going. There's a button right here. This thing just lowers.
Cody, you gotta move what's underneath it.
Those things are messed up, dude. There's something wrong with the handlebars. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. I texted my detailer and told him I had a dirty truck. But before he comes to detail it, I want to really get my money's worth. If you're just a square body enthusiast, actually, I'm sorry for that. But if you're a square body enthusiast that gave me a death threat last time, you're getting what you deserve. This shovelful is for the Square Body Enthusiast United Facebook group.